express a number as product of prime factors in the next form, it means that you should look for the prime numbers that are factors of the given number. For example, 54, which is the first part there. Prime number, the first prime number is 2. So 2 as a factor of 54 will multiply 27 to give me 54. But 27 is not a prime number. So, and 2 as a prime number cannot divide 27, it's not a factor. So we'll go for the next prime number, which is 3. And 3 times 9 is 27. Then again, 9 is not a prime number. Then 3 times 3 gives me 9. And what's a prime number again? Prime numbers are numbers that have no other factor apart from 1 and the number itself. Prime numbers have only two factors, and the factors are 1 and the number itself. Is that clear? For example, is 1 a prime number?
Mhm. Yes.
Wait a minute. Hold on.
Yes.
Hold on. Hold on. 1 is not a prime number, okay?
How?
Okay, that's the question. That's the purpose of me explaining this topic. Is that clear? Yeah, a prime number, like if this is the number, it must have two factors, maybe m and n. Meanwhile, the m must be 1 and the n must be k itself. Okay?
Okay.
So if I pick 1, I want to check if 1 is a prime number. 1 is in the place of k, right?
Mhm.
So the n is 1. What about the m? The m will also be 1, right?
Mhm.
So 1 is not a prime number because these are the same factors, not different factors. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. So 1 is never a prime number. I think you are making sound with your pen there. So now, the next thing is to check on 2. 2 is a prime number. Why is 2 a prime number? Because only 2 and 1 can divide 2. Only 2 and 1 are factors of 2. 3 is also a prime number because only 3 and 1 are factors of 3. So these are prime numbers. But 4 is not a prime number. It's not. Okay?
Okay.
Why? Because apart from 1 and 4, 2 also is a factor. And prime number must have only two factors. So 4 is never a prime number. Now you can see reason why I use 2 as the first prime number here, then 3 and 3 and 3. So now to express this given number as a product of its prime, we are going to write 54 equal to 2 times 3 raised to the power 3. That's an index form. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. Let's look at the second one we before I give you the one you're going to try. 108. The first prime number is 2, right? 2 is going to multiply
Yes.
54 to give me 108. Then again, 2 will multiply 27 to give me 54. Then 3 will multiply 9. Then 3 will multiply 3. So for 108, we're going to have 2 squared times 3 cubed. Okay, good. Let's look at the third one, option C. We have 360. So for option C, we have 2 and 180, then 2 and 90, then 2 and 45. Now the next prime number that can go is 3 and 15, and finally 3 and 5. Is that clear? So this is going to be how many 2? 2 raised to the power 3 times 3 raised to the power 2, then times 5. Is that clear now?
Yes.
Then the last one, which is option D, is 228. So looking at 228, let's say D, 228. So we have to use the first prime number, 2. 2 in 2 is 1, 2 here 1, and 2 here is 4. 2 can still go. So 2 in 11 is 5, and 2 in 14 is 7. Now it's 3 that will go. 3 times what will give me 57?
27.
No, 3 times what will give me 57?
Um, 19.
19, that's correct. Okay. So to express, and 19 is a prime number, so we don't go further. We can say 2 squared times 3 times 19. So is this clear to you?
Yes.
Okay, you can write it down while I'll give you the one to try after now. Okay.